So this is a itel 2160. The 7 and 8 key is not working. So let me just show you. Can you see? It's not working. It's not working. It's not working. So gotta these ones are working. These ones are working. These ones are working. These ones are working. It's working. So let's jump into the next step. Let's jump into the next step. So right now, as you can see, the keys are not working, which is 7, 8, 9, and 0. It's not working. So jump over to the next part. First and foremost, you first service your board first. You will service your itel 2160 board. But this one is not the itel 2160, but you can share board. So you first of all thorough servicing first. I was bring around that small. Then you use your workstation to dry it. Dry it thoroughly. Only dry it to avoid spark. Then apply your paste. Apply your paste. Apply your paste. Apply paste to finalize everything. It is. I don't believe it is. Seriously. I don't believe it is. All right. Then we need to wait for it to dry. We need to wait for it to dry. Okay, as you can see, the board is cold. So let's try and see what's next. Let me go to the tower. As you can see, it's not still working. It's not still working. So we are going to go over to the next step. Next step of it. All right. We are going over to the next step. The next step. So you pull out the battery. Then you take the next step by pulling this counter. By pulling this. So you need your whatever thing you use in holding your board for it to be easier and safe for you to remove the object. You apply your paste again. Gently apply your paste again. Then you make use of your picker and pull this card out. Right. We are done pulling it. So you, after pulling off, then you clean thoroughly again. Clean thoroughly again. Clean thoroughly. You go back again to dry it. Then after some time, we are going to test. So after you finish hitting this particular point, then you start. Then it's not working. Then you know what to do. You go directly to the mat piece point. That mat piece leg, you will see a dotted point there. You need to scrub the dot. Scrub it gradually for it not to bridge with earth. You go scrub am. What you say, ain't go fit stay lead. Then shake and do much silver. So you need, after that, you pick your paste, your soldering paste, which is this liquid, the liquid lead. You need to use this one for that particular work. If not, you know go easy. So you pick your lead. Just pick your lead a little. Then put it to that point. Don't allow it to bridge with the mat piece leg. Take it to that point then. Then after soldering it, you use your running wire, which is your connection wire, your running wire. Your running wire. Your running wire, then you solder the running wire to that same point. To that same point. Then bring it to this other side. You know what to do, just bring it this in this angle. Bring it to this angle. Then bring it up here. If your connection wire is much, then you need to cut it. After cutting it, then you apply your soldering paste again. You apply your soldering paste. My face no come out. You apply your soldering paste to this point. After you apply your soldering paste, then you solder your connection. Solder your connection. Make that place look neat for the button to bounce well. At least it's solidly soldered. As you can see, it's solidly soldered. By this time now, all the buttons will be working. So let's jump into testing. So we are now into testing. Let's test our work. So you turn on your device, turn on the phone. After running it, the way I showed you, as you can see, it's working. It's working. As you can see, it's working perfectly. It's working perfectly and exactly well. As you can see, it's working. All the buttons now are working. So you look from here, from this point now, from this point near the mouthpiece point, on this point, as you can see this point from here now, you run it to the edge of 7, to the side of this 7. So you run it there, you are free, you are good to go. So let's go there. Nice. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you are still new on this channel, subscribe, comment and like.